Hello guys, welcome back to Nettie's channel. Today we're gonna be making slime. But where's Nettie? Nettie, come here.
I'm right here. Girl, you have magic.
Tú lo sabes que yo no estoy ni un poquito para ti. Lo nuestro ya se murió. Lo siento si te dolió. No fui yo quien decidió. Fuiste tú quien lo jodió. Que en paz descanse lo de nosotros. No me rompiste el corazón, ya yo lo tenía roto. Por eso ni te amo ni te odio. Haciéndote.
Oh, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Sugar Nettie, and I'm here with my sister.
Hi.
And we finna make slime, glitter slime, and we have extra glitter that she made here. So yeah, and we have instructions. So let's get started, girl. First we add the glue. So wanna add them both? Did you add this and then I add this? Okay. Let's get started. Okay, we finna. Whoa. We want to make sure we have all the glue in here. By the way, shout out to my sister for these bomb ass braids. Oh, I have glue in my hair. The kit came with a little bowl, but we decided we want to do it all.
We already made slime.
She made a little bit. Who knew this was gonna be messy? Mira, se cayó. Okay, Siri. Okay, this is all over me. Oh, but you were supposed to start. Okay, which color we're gonna do? Red, blue.
Okay.
And we're gonna put. Let's just put all colors. Okay.
You do the colors and I'll do the glitter.
No, primero los colors.
Okay. Don't. It's not me.
We're gonna mix it, and we're gonna put some of this color. I'm gonna wait, pero let me see. First, you put the glue. Now we're on step 4, which is mix your first glitter choice, but it's the one we invented. So,
And then these.
Carla, the spoon fell in here. I'm gonna put a little bit of. Wow. Ahí tú le echas de la tuya, la que tú quieres. Échale. Oh. Now mix it.
I'm gonna add more.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it. ¿Cuál es el contact solution?
El activator.
You want to put more glitter? Put some of that one. Ooh, it looks so cute. Échale un poquito más. There. Guys, I want to see our slime. It's glittery.
We can add this one in.
No, that
When
one's
it's
added.
done.
Okay, then mix it. Keep mixing it. Sure. I'm gonna put the contact solution in it.
I'm gonna add this one.
It says to put 2 to 3 drops, but like since we made the whole glue,
Yeah, we're gonna add it all.
I think I should just add the whole and just keep mixing it, partner. I think that's enough. Mira, ya se está haciendo, right?
Right, this one?
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is looking really nice. I think I'm having fun.
Yeah, you should be.
A little bit. We have more contact solution.
Yeah,
We have more contact solution. And we are mixing. And this is so hard to mix.
This one's my brother's. I made it for him.
If you can't hear him in the background screaming. Right, Carla?
Yep.
Okay, I think it's time to play with the slime with our finger, with our hands.
The most fun thing of slime.
Then mix it, Carla. Keep mixing it. I'm gonna clean this.
Mama!
Hi, baby. I need to clean this. I'm gonna go clean it, guys. What, baby? Ow.
We got it, guys. Pretty cool.
You put all that glitter, buddy.
Should I add it all?
Keep mixing it. Let's go ahead and just move out of the way.
Yeah.
Okay?
Here you go.
Move that out of the way. Look who's joining us.
And my baby brother, Kaden.
Look at the baby.
Kaden Deshaun.
Mira. Mira slime.
Mira, Papa.
Look at the slime.
You want to play with this one? Add more activities.
Look, baby. Slime. Mira. Mira. Oh, look. Mix it. Oh, you put that way in my mouth. Mix it, Kaden. Dale la cuchara so he can mix it.
Here, Papa, mix it.
He don't want to. Oh.
He's scared of slime.
Like he's scared of cotton candy.
Yeah. You try to get it.
So we're gonna mix this slime.
Oh
No. And I saw the instructions right here, and it says play with the slime until it's no longer sticky. If the slime still sticks, you may add more drops of contact solution, which is this, but we basically already added all of it. We still have some more, but like if it's still not gonna work, then okay. But it's time to play with it to see if it gets unsticky. Here's
They got it.
this is our slime.
Oh.
Siéntate aquí, siéntate aquí.
It's so fun and heavy. A little bit heavy.
We should have bought another kit so we can make that.
A little bit heavy. Now this is my dream to make slime. I can chew.
It looks really, se mira like it's nothing but glitter.
I'm not touching nothing.
Es because no se podía ver la mesa. Okay, then Carla, it's time for you to play with it. I'm done with this.
Stop, Kaden.
It was fun while we made it, pero
Yeah, it was cool.
yeah. You could play with Michael. Michael, you can come in.
That's my.
This is Michael. Michael.
Go to that chair.
Sit down.
If you want to mix it, you can add more activators. You can add more activators.
Let's see.
Later.
Michael. Michael, tell me your review on the slimy Carla made.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about it? You like it? It's pretty. What is it?
It's mushy like a bubble gum.
Like a bubble gum?
Yeah. It looks like a big, it looks like a dropping some water in your friend's head. Yeah.
Well, that was it. Carla, close out the video for me, please.
This was the end of our slime video. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.
Kaden, thanks.
Dang.
Hi guys, look at my new shoes. This is the outfit of the day. Yeah, I look ratchet because I have no makeup on, but I don't care. I'm finna go do makeup. Okay? Okay.
Started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other everything. I even went and bought a diamond ring.
Hold on, let me get it. Okay, I see her. Ugla. She said, let's do the before because I didn't get a before of her. So, can you close your eyes? It's so natural for the birthday girl. Finna head out, Kaden. Kaden, te mira bonito.
Mommy, why does that run? I don't even want it.
Kaden. It is cold. It is cold. Kaden, púrale, papi.
I like Fortnite. Freaking good. Okay, we're recording. Is that good? Okay, what's going on, guys? King Rio's here, and today we're going to play another Fortnite with my favorite soccer stuff. Boys, playmaker. Yeah, my YouTube channel. I don't have YouTube channel. PUBG Mobile? What? Wait, what? I'm the camera guy. Hey, look, shipwreck.
No
This is copyrighted music.
Yo, es que andaba trabajando mucho acá en el otro trabajo. Sí.
Dime la cámara.
Wait. Those are baby teeth you dummy. Or look at your teeth. At least mine are bigger than his. We're going on King here and today. Yeah, it's gonna be kind of weird, but like, yeah. Alright, that's the end of the video.
Can you turn over here?